Hello, welcome and greetings again from Richland County Casa. This is another segment of Casa Cares. My name is James Washington. I'm one of the staff members here at Richland County Casa. This is the venue that we use to share with you, our volunteers, our viewing public, about community partners in our community, about programs that we work with. Today we have a very special guest, so without any further ado, let me introduce you to her.
Good morning. My name is Sandra Stevenson, and I'm the Executive Director of the Midlands Mediation Center. We're located here in Columbia at 4801 Colonial Drive. Our telephone number is area code 803-714-1176. The Midlands Mediation Center has been in existence for about 15 years, since 1998. And we provide services both to the magistrate court and family court, as well as mediation services to the community and other community partners. So you might ask yourself, what is mediation? Mediation is an opportunity for two individuals who have a dispute to sit down and resolve their conflicts with the assistance of a neutral or third party. Midlands Mediation provides an opportunity for folks who otherwise could not come to a peaceful resolution on their own, an opportunity to talk about their differences and their positions and their issues, and come to an agreement that is mutually agreeable to the both of us. We're really excited about the programs at Midlands Mediation Center that we provide. I guess the best way to look at it is that there are three major program areas at Midlands Mediation Center. First, we provide court-annexed mediation services. And as I said earlier, that is when you go to magistrate court, much like you see on television, like Judge Judy. And you have to go to magistrate court for a dispute that usually is between two businesses or two companies or an individual and another business. So you file a claim at magistrate court. And the South Carolina Supreme Court has mandated that once an individual files a claim at magistrate court or small claims court and asks for a jury trial, they must, at least for 30 minutes, go through mediation. And once you get to magistrate court here in Columbia, you meet one of our Midlands Mediation volunteers. And at that point, you and the other person that you may be in a dispute with has an opportunity to sit down for 30 minutes and see if you can come to a resolution between the two of you and with the assistance of the volunteer neutral third party. Now, the benefit to that is that you have an opportunity to come to a resolution on your own. When you go to court and in a formal legal process, you know the adage, somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose. But when it comes to mediation, you're able to find an agreement and find a solution that works best for the both of you. You both have an opportunity to talk instead of the attorneys. You both have an opportunity to put forth ideas instead of the attorney or even the judge. So whatever resolution that you come up with, it is a part of what the both of you come up with, you and the opposing party. Once you've come up with these ideas, we write together a mediation agreement. We take it back to the judge, and then it becomes a legal and binding document. And this document has what you agree to do and what the other party agrees to do. So the first benefit is you're able to find a resolution on your own, and it's a less antagonistic process. The other thing is that it saves you money, because as you go further and further into the process, you're going to have to pay the attorney, you're going to have to pay court costs, and with the mediation process, you're able to stop the process right there, come to a conclusion, and you don't have to put forth any more money. And we also find that at the end of the mediation process, the two people are able to work together in future endeavors. A lot of time when you go to court and you have attorneys involved, it's quite difficult to have a relationship after a particular trial. But we found that mediation provides an opportunity for you not only to resolve your disputes, but it also improves ongoing relationships, and it also strengthens the community. So we have our court annexed, which is at magistrate court. And also, if you're ever involved in family court, The Supreme Court of South Carolina once again has mandated that you go into mediation service to resolve certain issues like separation agreements or alimony or child visitation. That helps, and because it also provides a much more relaxed atmosphere for you and the other party to work out your differences. So we have court annexed services, but what we're also most excited about is our community services as well. And that's where you can contact us directly if you're having a dispute with a neighbor, if you're having a dispute with a family member, if you're having a dispute with someone in the community. You can contact Midlands Mediation Center directly. And once we can have a consent to mediate between you and the other party, you can come into the center and we can provide a volunteer mediator and be able to, the two of you can resolve your differences on your own. What is the cost of the fee? We're happy to say that mediation services are on a sliding scale basis. So that means depending on what your annual income, the services can either be free or at a reduced cost. We're really excited about that. And we offer, we ask that you come in and talk to us directly more about our services and how we can help you with disputes. Our last and final major program area that we have is our conflict resolution skills building seminars. This is really exciting because different from mediation where there is a third party neutral that helps two individuals resolve a conflict, the conflict resolution skills building seminars actually provide tools for individuals to resolve their own conflicts. So a lot of times when you say you have an employee or you have a co-worker that things may not be working very well together, Midlands Mediation provides an opportunity for two individuals to learn how to resolve conflicts on their own. We usually present this in a larger forum, for example, between two departments in an agency or probably a department in a larger agency. We come in and provide either a 1 to 2 day seminar, and we teach individuals on listening skills. We teach individuals on cooling off periods. We teach individuals how to work with conflict resolution skills that come about in every day-to-day situation. And we're really excited about that because it speaks to our community and strengthening our mission of strengthening communities by providing individuals an opportunity to talk to one another. And that's really what strengthening communities is all about, learning to talk to one another and learning to understand and appreciate the differences in our communities. So we ask you to give us a call if you're a company and you'd like for your employees to learn about conflict resolution skills. Give us a call. We'd love to come out and help. So we've talked about all these wonderful programs and services that the Midlands Mediation Center provides, but I would be remiss if I didn't mention how those programs and services are provided. The programs and services of Midlands Mediation are provided through a wonderful host of volunteers. We have almost 100 volunteers at the Midlands Mediation Center. And the most important thing about our volunteers is that they come from the community which we serve. They come from all walks of life, not just attorneys, not just professionals, but we have folks that are retired, we have teachers, we have doctors, we have social workers, we have folks that are simply interested in what the Midlands Mediation Center's mission is, and that is to resolve conflicts, strengthen the community, and improve relationships. Our vision for Midlands Mediation Center is to transform and empower. And we do that by using a host of volunteers that go through a special training that we have at Midlands Mediation Center, either our conflict resolution training or our mediation training. And once they go through our mediation training and our conflict resolution training, they are able to go out into the community and provide these wonderful services that we've talked about. Our training is a 40-hour classroom training where you learn about mediation skills and the core technique of mediations and mediation skills. And then we have a 20-hour observation where you have an opportunity to shadow and have a seasoned mentor, either in the magistrate court or through some of our other volunteer opportunities that we have. We really love our volunteers. Without our volunteers, there would be no Midlands Mediation Center. So even if you don't have a dispute that you'd like to resolve, or if you're not interested in our conflict resolution skills building seminars, we still invite you to contact the Midlands Mediation Center, because we're always looking for volunteers. We're always looking for folks who are interested in furthering our mission, which once again is to resolve conflicts, to improve relationships, and to strengthen our community.
Well, that concludes this segment of, again, Casa Cares. We want to thank you for our guest today, Ms. Sonia Stevens with the Midlands Mediation Center, a very outstanding program. Please make sure you follow our credits, get in contact with them. Again, this is James Washington with Richland County Casa for another segment of Casa Cares. Thank you.